Hello friends, today we are going to blink the LED using this Wi-Fi dashboard, and in this video I am going to use the STA mode of ESP32 Wi-Fi. You can see on the dashboard there is STA mode, right? So let's get started. So in my previous video I discussed about this AP mode, which stands for access point mode, and in this mode your ESP32 acts as a main router. That means it creates its own hotspot. But in this video I am going to discuss about the ST mode, which stands for station mode, and this Wi-Fi scanning mode. So first of all, let us discuss about this station mode. So what happens in the station mode, you require an external router, right? This is an external router, and all of the devices like ESP32, your monitor or laptop and mobile phone can connect directly with it, right? With different IP addresses. And that IP address is provided by this router itself. And you see the direction of the communication. It is from the external devices towards the router, right? And this is the image for the access point mode. Here your ESP32 acts as the main router and all other devices connect with it with different IP addresses, right? And the IP address is provided by this ESP32, okay? And here the direction of the communication is from the external devices towards the ESP, but here the direction is different. It is from the ESP towards the router, right? So this is the difference between the access point mode and the station mode. So the mobile phone which I was shooting this video with is going to be the main router, and the mobile phone that I have shown in the starting of the video and the ESP both are going to be connected to that mobile. So LED is connected to GPI number 27, and this is the network name and this is the password. And the web page that you are going to see is being hosted on this port number 80. And this is the HTML plus CSS page for that web page UI, right? It is containing two buttons. These are the properties of the button, and this is the background color for on button and this is the background color for off button. And all other properties are given here in this HTML page. And under the setup section in this line, the ESP is asking the router, which is the mobile phone, for an IP address, okay? So in this line you will get the IP address printed on the serial monitor. And in the loop section, here I am defining two endpoints, capital H and capital L. So capital H endpoint is used when the LED is in on state. On state means there is high signal on the LED. And capital L endpoint is used when the LED is in off state. Off state means low signal on the LED. Now upload the program in the ESP32 and wait for the uploading. So the program is uploaded. Now open the serial monitor and you will see the IP printed on the monitor. If you do not see the IP, then press the enable button of the ESP and the ESP will start connecting. So this is the IP that you need to enter in your mobile browser. So this mobile phone and ESP both have been connected to the mobile phone which I am shooting this video with, which is a main router. Okay, and you can see the IP on the browser for 10.134.15.55. If I click on LED on, the LED will be on. If I click on LED off, the LED will be off, right? So our Wi-Fi dashboard is working fine. Now the last chapter for the today's video is the Wi-Fi scanning mode. So as the name suggests, the ESP32 will search for the Wi-Fi from the nearby devices. So go to Files menu, then Examples, and scroll down to search for Wi-Fi and click on Wi-Fi scan. A new window will open that contains the code that will be uploaded in the ESP32. So I am currently using the baud rate of 9600. You can also set any other baud rate. Now upload the program. Now the program has been uploaded. Now open the serial monitor and you will see the list of devices that are currently active. So the total number of devices are 14 here, right? So in this way you can scan the number of devices which are currently active around the ESP32. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for latest video tutorials, and if you want to learn more about the AP mode of ESP32 Wi-Fi, then do check out this video, and I will see you in the next video.